How to get small text size on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get small text size on Opera Mini. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this Opera icon here in the bottom corner, and now you will find here settings icon. Click on it and then go down until you find here page layout, and then you will find here text size. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just click this one small, and as you see now the text size is small. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.